Today I'll be unboxing the Haunted Mansion Ghost Portrait Mystery Pins. So these were released in July of 2022 and are available in the parks and on Shop Disney for $15.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. This is a 10-pin collection, and the pin designs are of various characters you will find in the Haunted Mansion. So the pin designs that we can get are the Hatbox Ghost, the Ghost Host, the Dog, Sea Captain, Ezra, Phineas, the Caretaker, the Bride, the Mummy, and Gus. So let's open them up, see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. Now I don't have a favorite one that I'm looking for here. They are all kind of have the same look, the same color, but I think it would be kind of cool to have all 3 of the Hitchhiking Ghosts. So Ezra, Phineas, and Gus. Be kind of nice to have them all together. So that'd be cool. So let's see what we can get here. I have not seen these in person, so I don't really know how big they are and how they look. So they actually feel decent size. All right, our first pin is Ezra. He is one creepy looking dude. So he's got the frame here on the bottom. I think the frame is the same on all of them, but we'll see. And then his crazy hair and skeleton looking face. That one is cool. Well, I got one of the Hitchhiking Ghosts. Let's see what else we can get. Pin 2 is Phineas. All right. Yeah, so it does look like it's the same frame. And then there he is with his top hat on. So you have 2 the Hitchhiking Ghosts already. All right. So now we just need Gus. Then I'll have my Hitchhiking Ghost. All right. Pin 3. This bag is like a dull color, and this bag, the other bags were shiny. Weird. All right, in this one we have a double. We have another Phineas. So one thing I will point out is these are a black tone finish. So on the back, it's all black. It does have the Mickey Waffle pattern though. So we have our first double. Okay, let's get into pin 4. Let's get something different here. Oh, hey, we got Gus. So there we have Gus with his big white beard, crazy hair. Nice. So now we have all 3 of the Hitchhiking Ghosts. Cool. I still have 3 boxes to go. All right. Well, what's next? What do I want next? I think the Hatbox Ghost would be cool to have. I think the Bride always looks pretty neat too. So yeah, let's get one of those. All right. What do we want? Pin 6. We have another Phineas. Okay, I see how these are gonna go. We're gonna get nothing but Hitchhiking Ghosts. And the next pin is Gus. So yeah, we're doing some doubles here. So these are pretty decent size. Not huge, but not really super small either. Not a bad size. Okay, so we have 6 pins opened up and only 3 unique so far. So we gotta start doing a little better. Let's get somebody different. Anybody? Let me feel. This one just feels kind of round like the rest. Hatbox Ghost would be the easiest to feel because he's got his kind of coat hat sticking out. So we got another Phineas. Wow. All right. Let's feel this one. This one feels wider. It's probably just all in my head. It's probably one of these guys. It is Gus. So it was not wider. It was just Gus. Okay. Down to the last box. Let's see what we get. Can we get anything different? We have the Bride. Hey, all right. So there she is. So, yep, same frame. It is the same frame, right? Yeah, same frame. And we have her right there. She's got her necklaces and her crazy eyes. All right. So at least we stepped away from the Hitchhiking Ghost a little bit. And our last pen, please don't be a hitchhiking ghost, it's the Mummy. Awesome. So yeah, there he is. He's all wrapped up with his two little eyes. Awesome. Well, at least we ended with the Bride and the Mummy. So we did get 5 out of the 10. So overall, not the greatest unboxing. We did get quite a lot of Phineas and quite a lot of Gus, but 5 out of 10 is half. I'm usually happy when I get at least half. So those were the Haunted Mansion Ghost Portrait Mystery Pens. Which one was your favorite out of the 5 that I unboxed? For me, my favorite is Ezra. He is just one creepy looking dude, and I think he really fits with the theme of this pen collection. The way he's got that skeleton face and the hair and his head's kind of sticking out of the top of the frame. So I think that one is really fun. I did notice that when I was arranging these pens that I got some duplicate boxes. Boo! I don't like duplicate boxes. But yeah, we had a Phineas Gus, Phineas Gus, Phineas Gus. So out of my 5 boxes, I could have taken 2 and just thrown them out the window. Well, if I picked the right 2. So these pens are pretty cool. I think the 3 Hitchhiking Ghosts will look good on my Haunted Mansion pin board. But beyond that, I will say that I really don't have a desire to find the rest or buy any more of these. Which is weird for me to say. Am I feeling okay? Am I sick? I don't know, maybe. So I did only get 5, so the 5 I wasn't able to show you was the Hatbox Ghost, the Ghost Host, the Dog, the Sea Captain, and the Caretaker. So those were the 5 that I didn't unbox. So I do have a lot more Disney pins to show you, including some pin hauls and some more mystery pin unboxings, so keep your eye out for those. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.